aren't you? Oh, thank
How
God.
long have you been missing her?
9 months.
9 months.
She went missing the week before Christmas.
You did? Okay. What took it to get you to come here to look for the dog, or how'd you locate the dog?
She has a microchip.
Oh, she does? Okay.
Yes.
That's good. That's one reason why we scan every dog. So that's good we got her back home to you.
Oh, God.
She looks so happy.
She is.
She is.
She's mommy's. Yes, you're my baby. You remember me.
Well, we're glad to get her back home to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hi, baby. Hi, mommy's baby. You're going to the groomers. You already got an appointment.